Hi everyone. So today I'm going to film a video of me showcasing the toothpaste I use to clean my teeth and brushing my teeth. So this is Colgate Clean Mint toothpaste. It gives a total clean. It helps prevent cavities, plaque, gingivitis, tooth and enamel, tartar, cleans your breath, and whitens your teeth all at the same time. It is toothpaste. The net weight of this product is 7.8 ounces. It prevents plaque buildup and fights tartar. If you look at the back here, there will be different instructions of what you should do for brushing your teeth. So direction says supervise children as necessary until capable of using without supervision. Adults and children 6 years of age and older brush teeth thoroughly, preferably after each meal or at least twice a day or as directed by a dentist or a physician. So I brush my teeth once in the morning and once at night. Children under 12 years instruct in good brushing and rinsing habits to minimize swallowing. Children under 6 years do not use, unless directed by a dentist or a physician, anti-plaque and anti-gingivitis use not proven in children. And then it shows a list of ingredients. So these are inactive ingredients. So that is water, hydrated silica, glycerin, sorbitol, PVM/MA copolymer, sodium lauryl sulfate, cellulose gum, flavor, sodium hydroxide, carrageenan, propylene glycol, sodium saccharin, titanium dioxide. And it gives you, if you want to have questions or comments, then call this 800 number right here. And then it gives you the active ingredients, which is sodium fluoride. Purpose is for anti-cavity, and triclosan, and the purpose is anti-gingivitis. Use aids in the prevention of cavities, plaque, and gingivitis. The warning says keep out of reach of children under 6 years of age. And then it says to ask a dentist before use if you have bleeding or redness lasting more than 2 weeks, pain, swelling, pus, lost teeth, or more space between teeth. This may be signs of periodontitis, a serious form of gum disease. So this is the type of toothpaste that I use. It's in a pretty big size tube, so it's not a small tube. It's a full-size tube. I would recommend, to get the most out of your toothpaste, that when you start to get low, I would take a pair of scissors and cut into the toothpaste. So, it's a pretty good bottle, and it will hold the toothpaste inside, but you can also cut into it with some scissors, and you can cut a straight line all the way down the length of the toothpaste tube, and then you can insert your toothbrush directly into the toothpaste to get the most out of your toothpaste, so there is none left over. And this helps you keep your toothpaste lasting for a longer time versus just throwing it away after you are unable to squeeze the bottle with ease. So I'm going to give you an example of how I brush my teeth at night. So I have a toothbrush right here, and then I have my toothpaste. So this is a pretty full thing. So what I'm going to do is I am going to try to squeeze some into, okay, so I got a little bit on. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to close the cap up, and that's pretty easy to do. And then I'm going to put the toothpaste off to the side, and then I am going to brush my teeth. Don't forget to rinse periodically. And it's also important to brush your teeth for like 2-3 minutes so that you brush your teeth fully and accurately, and to, minimize, any type of plaque or tartar build up on your teeth. Make sure to always get the back molars and to brush your teeth, fully and completely. So after you finish brushing your teeth, you just put your toothpaste into the holder. Not your toothpaste, but your toothbrush into the holder. And, you have your toothpaste here. Make sure that the cap is fully closed on the bottle. And then you just place it right here. And you are all set for the night.